The following is a short narrative story about an old monk Kaito teaching a young boy named Hiro a lesson on generosity. It was created using several AI tools. If you are interested in finding out how the video was created, after watching this story, you can find a link below in the description to a tutorial video showing you the complete end-to-end process of creating this video. Now, on to the story.
Once upon a time, in a serene Japanese village, where cherry blossoms seemed to dance in the breeze, there was an ancient temple. This temple was home to a wise old monk named Kaito, whose knowledge was as vast as the years he had lived there. One bright morning, a young village boy named Hiro, known for his boundless curiosity and generous heart, ventured into the temple grounds. There, he found Kaito, who was sweeping the path clear of cherry blossoms. "Good morning," Hiro greeted, his voice echoing slightly in the tranquil garden. Kaito looked up, his eyes twinkling with warmth. "Good morning, young one. What adventure brings you here today?" Hiro's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Just exploring. Everything is so peaceful and beautiful here." Smiling, Kaito suggested a special task, revealing a chest filled with handcrafted toys destined for the village children. Hiro's eagerness to help shone brightly, and together they planned to distribute the toys anonymously at dusk. However, unbeknownst to them, Miko, the village storyteller's cat, had been watching with curious eyes. As they set about their secret mission, Miko followed, a silent shadow in the night. After the toys were placed, and as they prepared to return to the temple, Miko, with a swift, mischievous paw, sent the basket tumbling down the hill, scattering the toys. The unexpected twist saw Hiro and Kaito, along with the accidental accomplice Miko, scrambling to collect the toys. But as they did, villagers joined in, transforming the night into a celebration of community and joy. The scattered toys, once intended as secret gifts, had instead brought the village together in a spontaneous festival of laughter and unity. The square, illuminated by lanterns, resonated with the collective happiness of villagers helping one another, sharing in the delight of the unexpected event. Kaito, with a knowing smile, shared a lesson with Hiro amid the cheerful chaos. Sometimes the path of generosity leads us to even greater joys beyond what we could have imagined. And so the night of the scattered toys became a cherished village tradition, symbolizing the beauty of giving, strength of community, and the joy found in life's unexpected moments. Miko, perched high above, watched the festivities, her green eyes gleaming with satisfaction. Perhaps she knew all along that her playful interference would result in something magical.
Remember, the world of AI is full of possibilities. Let's learn and grow together. If you are still watching, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and keeps content like this coming. From Ko and Kai, thanks for watching. Until next time, so long, my friends.